Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at the QLabel widget. So let's get started with creating a new class and we'll just call it QLabel, and it's going to come in from the Q main window, and we're going to import PyQt5 from PyQt5 import everything. From PyQt5 .qt widgets, again import everything. Right, okay, so it comes from the parent of Q main window, and inside there we're going to define our init function, and we're going to say Q main window dot init and then self. Okay, now what we're going to say is central widget. So we're going to create a new variable, and that's going to be a Q widget, and then self, and then self dot central widget self dot set central widget, sorry. Okay, now we need to remove all of this. Okay, and then central widget. Okay, now we're gonna say grid layout. So now new variable called grid layout, and that's gonna equal to Q grid layout, and then self, and then we're gonna say self dot no, actually, yeah, no, we don't say that. We say central dot set layout, central widget dot set layout, and inside there we're going to say grid layout. Okay, now we have our QLabel, so we're going to make a new variable. We're going to call it QLabel equals to QLabel, and then this is a label. Okay, and then we have to pass in the parameters of self. Right, okay. Why is there the unresolved reference QLabel? Have we not imported? We forgot to import something, so we've got. Okay. I know that we forgot to import sys, but I don't think that's a problem here. Right now, we need everything. We need QLabel, Q main window. So that's why we usually import them one by one, because it barely ever works. Why is it unresolved reference QLabel? Unresolved reference QLabel. That's a bit weird. Why? So QWidget, need to import QWidget as well. Okay, and QGrid layout, QLabel, which we have already. Yeah, QLabel is already there. Let's try changing this. Okay, yeah, that was the problem. Yeah, I accidentally said QLabel there, and we can't do that because it's gonna think that we're trying to assign QLabel to QLabel, and that's not possible because that's just not what's in the code of PyQt5. Right, okay, so we've got our this is a label, and then let's create another label, which is going to be another QLabel. This is label self, and then we're going to say grid layout dot add widget title, sorry, label, and then label 2. So grid layout dot add widget label 2. Okay, so after we've done that, the last thing we need to do is if name equals to main, then we're gonna go ahead and say app equals to qt widgets dot q. We just need to import this dot q application, and then any other arguments. Okay, now we're gonna say is main window equals to app, and then main window dot show main window dot show, and then sys dot exit app dot execute. Right, okay, so now